Boxes are everywhere, but play an especially large role in mathematics. With 4 right angles and 4 equal sides, squares like this one come together to make the graph paper that allows us to draw graphs like these. And less common graphs like these, and even a graph like this one. For this project, I set out to go beyond the box, to go beyond the base equations that people think of when they think of math. The first step is tracing the original drawing, but splitting up the unique lines and curves as each will eventually need its own equation. The 1x1 unit boxes on the paper estimate different points on each of the lines, enough points so that the shape of the line is clear. The pattern of the Tulane logo then can be simulated with many complex equations, including variations of simpler linear and quadratic equations. For each tiny line or curve of the drawing, the points of that segment work together to come up with the most accurate equation. That equation, with all of its long decimals and weird numbers, is called a regression and is the best representation of the original shape. In math, we find that boxes are useful because they organize graphs into sections and quantify where different points are located. People also find that boxes are useful, putting figurative boxes around others based on various characteristics, like religion, gender, ethnicity, or income. Usually, these figurative boxes help that person more easily draw comparisons within groups and then generalize about that group of people. However, it is important to always realize that one square on a sheet of paper doesn't hold enough information for one to assume what the rest of the graph looks like or calculate a regression. You need to see the bigger graph. Similarly, you need to get to know the whole person and not just the part that you boxed into a category. People say that they don't need math, that they will never use it, that it's hard or not worth it. But math can be connected to almost anything, and we have a lot in common with the 2D lines we once drew in algebra class. So next time you see your favorite green logo, think of math, think of boxes, both figurative and literal, and of course, think of Tulane.